Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you the new chapter of The Perfect Idol's Guide to Fall, chapter 19. So here it is. Let's read the story. You can go back first to the room and wait for me. I will come back immediately after I finish learning. Oh, the two of them are really having good relationship. By pushing away her friends, well definitely she was really getting tricky. It seems that they have solved it themselves. Let's take a look to sisters. In the future, the house will be full of cameras and I feel a little uncomfortable. It's okay, the variety show will be withdrawn after the show. Oh, someone was gonna look on them. Well, definitely. What are you talking about? One of the members said. Of course, these two. They're really getting sweeter to each other. Oh, Wang Shu is still not used to many cameras. I'm persuading her. People just want to pose with my sister. They don't want to be photographed. The atmosphere between the two of them, it feels like no one else can intervene at all. No, it's most important thing to be with my sister. In other words, it's better to reflect harmonious relationship between the two of them. Well, definitely the two groups need to become closer to each other. How can I have such a dish? Take me with you. Well, this girl. It seems that she wanted to join to come in and having fun. There's no way. No. She was laughing and said to her, what are you laughing at? Your hand speed should not be able to play this game. Give it up. Xiao Xiaole is more suitable for you. You. Right now, it seems that the two of them are having misunderstanding. But seeing Wang Shu and Windy like that, girl, she's winking. Probably she was thinking something. Well, definitely they don't want to disturb them. At least I'll be up against the hardship unlike someone's just run away in despair. What did you say? This two girl has always a relationship like that. It seems to be they don't understand each other. When I was started, I was going back to the room to continue the honing of technology. No, just take back the sentence just right now. This is our first mission tonight. Please prepare a hearty dinner for all the members to be self-reliant. So it turns out they really want to cook. Well, they can really cook. I'm not very skilled in cooking. Can my sister teach me in a while? Windy. Wang Shu need to touch her. Don't blow the kitchen and I'll be thankful. Wow, is our kitchen like this? Oh, it turns out everything is on the kitchen. Well, let's hope food is not going to mess up. Every girl is busy doing their jobs. Let's make it freely. You can do whatever you want with you. Oh, but it's not just good like that. Of course, they need to be coordinated to each other. Then I want to be in the group with the captain. What do the captain do? What should I do? Wang just said okay. Well, she always goes for Wang Shu's request, especially right now. You can tie your hair like this. It will be more convenient to work. Now, Windy said to Wang Shu, thank you. I'm also going to be in the group with the captain. This is the potato I just cut. What kind of dishes you're going to cook? I will help you. Oh, it seems to be the group. It's getting bigger right now. Can Wang Shu help me cut the potatoes into shreds? No problem. Leave it to me. Wang Shu said to Windy. Well, suddenly, when she looked back, just seeing Wang Shu was happily talking about with the other group. Well, of course, looking at her face, she seems to be jealous. But this girl, she seems to be secretly happy. She know to herself that it was Wang Shu but who has a crush on hers. Now, look at her, she was sulking and said, I still want to get close to my sister by my side. Oh, definitely. She's really getting tricky, right? But right now, look at her. I think she's going insane. Well, is she going to show them that it really cuts? Definitely right now, she was really good at acting. What's the matter? Did you cut on the hands? Windy is asking Wang Shu. Let's see on what will happen next. Since the story, it seems that it was really getting tougher. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!